Looks like a good ball through. Must score! And it's a goal! With time and space aplenty, get it clear. It's Cristiano Ronaldo. Is there any support? He might not need it. He scored! The teams then, Bournemouth against Leicester. I'm Peter Drury, and joining me here, our expert, Jim Beglin.
Well, thanks for that, Peter. I'm more than ready to get going here.
And then the lineups for this game. And we're underway. Gosling. I have to say, that was an exemplary tackle. Stopped him dead in his tracks. And he's there to make a great save.
Keeper has shown great concentration there. I think his anticipation pretty much did the trick for him.
Yeah, he's pulled him up for that challenge. Stanislas. Ibe. Looks like a good ball through. Must score. And it's a goal! With time and space aplenty, he was never going to miss.
Look, if you defend so carelessly, it's going to prove costly. And to afford that sort of room to somebody, you know, what are they expecting? To get away with it? It's not going to happen.
Bournemouth go ahead, 1 goal to the good. King. Bournemouth have hit the front early, a foothold in the game.
What a good start to the game. I think their play has been fast and inventive, and this is a fine example of early intent. They've begun as they mean to go on, and another goal is on the cards.
Regardless of the outcome, it is good to see someone running at the defence like that.
Yeah, it wouldn't have been the most eye-catching goal we'd seen. Ultimately, the numbers prevented him from scrambling it in.
Fuchs. Pumps it forwards. Now the pass. Hits one! Good stop, that wasn't easy.
Much more than a routine save for me, and yet he just coped with room to spare.
Well, that looks a foul. Yep, referee's given it. And that's going to be a booking. It's come loose. King. Looking up to see who wants it. Great reaction. Oh, the keeper's done ever so well.
Well, I can only add that he's got reflexes that are in perfect working order, Peter. That was very good to watch.
Great leap! Fair attempt, just the wrong outcome.
Well, when he struck that, he must have thought it was going in. Such are the margins of success and failure in this game. That was so close.
Oh, he really wanted that.
Well, in all honesty, he's tormented that defence. They just can't handle him.
Adrian Silva. Bournemouth are seeing a lot of the ball and have a 1-0 lead to show for it. Passes it through. Stanislas. It's a loose ball. Dragovic. Bournemouth scoring in the first 10 minutes to make it 1-0. Has it out wide now. That's gone a long way up and away. Ibe. He's made sure that that won't get through. King. Ibe looking to get on the end of this. King collects the ball from behind. And oh, he's got that completely wrong. Wilson, who has made his impact already. Spoon forward. Stanislas gets it back. Vardy. A real chance to break. Whose ball? Who's going to get that? Well, the odds were right up against them, but they saved themselves with some very good defending.
That's very well played. What a good solid tackle that was. He knew his team were vulnerable then, and something had to be done. Great commitment.
And it's Stanislas. Has gone out. Wilson. And the assistant referee rightly gives him offside.
Oh, I tell you, only just. It was well spotted.
Kasper Schmeichel gets it upfield. Ibe plays a clever pass. Too much on it, and that's the keeper's. Deftly done. And he's made certain that won't get through. King. And it's Ibe. And the first half is done.
I'm sure they'll be very happy with their first half performance and the scoreline. They'll definitely want to maintain their momentum now and finish the job.
Bournemouth head for the dressing room in possession of a 1-0 lead. That gets things going for the second half.
Well, 1-0 may be good enough, so they may err on the side of caution and get more players behind the ball instead of running beyond it. They could even try to spoil it from here, we'll see.
Vardy. The defence got the better of him this time, but I'm sure he'll go again. Stanislas. Looks to dink one in. And that'll go straight through to the keeper. Albrighton. Try as they might, they just couldn't get into an attacking area. Okay. Ibe. Tries a through ball. It's a great ball. And it's Silva, coaxed out to the wing. Has a pop! Saved only by poor finishing. King. Bournemouth are still that goal to the good. Fuchs. That intervention was very necessary. Keeper's got good distance on that. He goes long. King positions himself well and cuts it out. Your impressions so far, Jim?
Well, Peter, if they're attempting to see out the game with such a narrow advantage, there's room for trouble. I just think they're sending out the wrong message. This could backfire.
Vardy, that's really nice. Now, what next? With a delicate ball. Smart save. Oh, good stop, it had to be. Okay. Stanislas. No, that's not the ball he wanted. Looks to slip it through. Well, Brighton looking to get on the end of this. Out of play for a goal kick. King. Throw in. Cuts it out. King. Just a quarter of an hour to play. Ibe with the ball through. Shakes the shoots. And he's there to hoof it away.
Well, they've not been troubled too much at the back, so they can play on the front foot, but losing possession still presents danger.
It's a long forward pass. Tries a through ball. It's a goal! And surely now, the result's beyond doubt.
Ibe simply wasn't going to decline an invitation like that. He knows that they've got the passers in this side that will find them. And his job was just to make sure he didn't stray offside. And it worked an absolute treat.
Bournemouth grab a couple of goals without reply. It's 2-0. That's put paid to a promising move. And it's Vardy. Out to the flank. He'll have a dip! Oh, extraordinary.
I think he's done very well to get into such a good position in front of goal, but he just couldn't put in the telling touch.
Pumps it upfield. The final 5 minutes. Battles to win it back. who's going to make this theirs. Played out to the wing. Okay. Out to the left it goes. Ball's loose, who's getting there? Adrian Silva can hoist it clear. Brings it forward. Surely this will be the last chance. Vardy floats one over. Gosling. And time is up. Bournemouth have won it. As much industry as inspiration. Whatever the formula, it has worked for them. 1-1, drawn 1, 4 points from 6, and looking good. How would you sum up what we've witnessed, Jim?
Bournemouth were given a fantastic boost with their early goal, and the edge it gave them, and that extra belief and confidence just made it much